Dell SE2425HM24. Inch monitor review, best budget IPS. Display for work and study. If you need an affordable monitor for work, study, and everyday use, the Dell SE2425HM is a simple option with one useful upgrade over older budget displays, a 100 Hz refresh rate. But is it the right monitor for you? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The SE2425HM features a 23.8-inch IPS panel with full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080. The IPS technology provides 178-degree viewing angles, while the 100 Hz refresh rate makes scrolling, moving windows, and general desktop use feel smoother than a standard 60 Hz monitor. Dell rates brightness at 250 nits and contrast at 1000:1 with 72% NTSC color coverage that makes it suitable for everyday productivity, browsing, studying, and watching videos. But it isn't aimed at professional color-sensitive work. The monitor also includes an anti-glare coating and eye comfort features, while its three-sided narrow bezels give it a clean look. It supports a 100 by 100 VESA mount if you want to use a monitor arm or wall mount. Connectivity is basic. You get HDMI and VGA, with HDMI supporting full HD at up to 100 Hz. However, there's no DisplayPort, USB hub, USB-C, headphone output, or built-in speakers. The stand is another limitation. It only offers tilt adjustment, so you don't get height, swivel, or pivot adjustments. For gaming, 100 Hz is a nice improvement over 60 Hz, but this isn't a dedicated gaming monitor and lacks features such as variable refresh rate support. Overall, the Dell SE2425HM is best for students, office users, and anyone who wants a reliable, straightforward IPS monitor for everyday tasks. If you need USB-C, better ergonomics, higher refresh rates, or advanced gaming features, there are better alternatives. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your thoughts on the Dell SE2425HM.